the interesting thing is, financial anxiety doesn't only affect people with low incomes. Kung sa tingin mo, nandun ka sa class na mababa ang yung kinikita, sinasahod at nagkakaroon ka ng ganitong problema, well, you're not alone. I've met people who earn very little and still they sleep peacefully because they have healthy habits. Kahit magsasaka lang yan, tindera man yan, nakakatulog sila ng mahimbing. At surprisingly, may mga ipon sila. That's because they have developed healthy habits about finances. I've also met people who earn 6 figures but constantly worry about money. I've been in that situation. Bakit? Why? Because financial anxiety is not determined by how much money we have, but also it's being shaped by our habits. Yung mga kaugalian natin pagdating sa pera. Our beliefs, yung paniniwala natin, our past experiences, and how we respond when financial pressure shows up. Papaano tayo tumutugon or nagre-respond kapag merong pressure sa atin pagdating sa pananalapi or kaperahan.